How to know who viewed your WhatsApp status. So if you want to know who viewed your WhatsApp status, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to go with updates, which will be on the bottom, and then you will have your status, right? So in my case, no one have viewed my status, but in your case, if someone has viewed your status, then you just need simply tap on open it, and then you need to go with the bottom left, which has that eye icon, and here you will have all of your viewers. You will have the viewers by Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, something like that, and you will be able to know who viewed your WhatsApp status. But no one will be able to view your status secretly. Each and every person that has viewed your status will be visible right here on the bottom. But in some cases, users of GB WhatsApp or unofficial modes can hide your status views. So unfortunately, there is no official way to track secret viewers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.